welcome to All About. Today we're going to take a look at Y26. It is the marker that I use the most when I want to achieve a gold tone, but it can also give you a very creamy combination. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we carry Copic Markers in the sketch series, the ink refill, and the nib replacements. Thank you. We are starting with Y26. So we're gonna flick away from, I didn't make a fence, so just from the line. And then Y23 and Y21. This gives you like a creamy kind of yellow. This is BV00. That's what we're gonna be underpainting with. Now you might think it's too light. It's a 00. Now a 01 might work, but when I was testing them, I preferred this one. Yellow colors, yellow markers are gonna be very wimpy. So it's not just doing 2 or 3 back on your marker numbers, but I always go 5 back. Anyway, the bonus combination is Y26, Y15, and Y13. This is what I would use for flowers, for botanicals. The staining test, surprisingly, Y26 would not move much. So I don't think we can erase it. The Prismacolor pencil match. This is PC942, yellow ochre. When you see the pencil, you might think it does not go, but Y26 is not bright in your face yellow. This is a more goldish kind of yellow, more ochre kind of yellow. So this pencil is perfect for it. Now we're gonna go to the butterfly. The butterfly has on the top Y26, Y23, and Y21. The one on the bottom is going to be underpainted. I always do this with the butterfly so you can see how it looks. This week at Violeta Ink, we have a promotion going on. Every time that you place an order, we are going to add a 3-pack super brush nib replacement starting November 20th, 2020 to November 30th, 2020. So if you're watching this right now on the 20th, you can go to our website and anything you order, we'll add this pack for you. That's what we're doing instead of doing a Black Friday sale. And it's gonna be for 10 days, so you have time. So now you can see the difference between one side that has the natural family combination and the other side that has the bonus combination. The natural family combination is Y26, Y23, and Y21. We are underpainting with BV00. Maybe BV000 will work. BV01 will work. It's always about swatching. As of right now, there is not a magic list that will show you every single one of the Copics that need to be used to underpaint. But Amy Schalke is working on it. So if you go to her blog called Uncapped, this is at the Marker Novice website. She is having this blog where you can see the value, the complement marker, underpainting, how it layers. It has a lot of tests that she has done on every single one of the markers. Right now, I think there's about 30 already made. So every week you need to go back and check and maybe save it. And you can save it on your Pinterest so you have them all together. Or you can actually go to undercover at vanillaarts.com, and we give you every week marker combinations with the underpainting match. So we do all the work. Just go ahead. You can just go save them, and that's it. Now the paper that I'm using in every single one of our videos for All About is called Cryogen Metallic Iridescent. It's a cardstock, about 89 pounds. You can find it on Amazon, you can find it at paperpapers.com, and you will find the links in our description box. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and go shop at violettaink.com so you can get the nibs for this week that we're giving away. Thank you. I will see you next week. Bye.